Guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make some chocolate lava cake. This is hot water with a bowl on top. You want to add a quarter cup of chocolate chips. Wait for it to melt. This is also a quarter cup of coconut milk, like creamer. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Stir until melted, then add 1 tablespoon of butter. That gives the chocolate a silky smooth texture. Make sure not to overcook the chocolate. After you've melted the chocolate, then I'm gonna put it in this silicone ice cube tray and we freeze it for several hours. Preheat the oven to 450. Butter 4 ramekins. Then also coat it with flour. Dust it and then tap off the excess flour. Let it sit on a baking sheet. This is 1 stick of melted butter. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Stir it up. So we need 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Now, mix it up. Now add 2 tablespoons of flour. If you're not ready to bake it, then refrigerate it. Okay, so now fill up your ramekins halfway. Then drop your cube of frozen chocolate into here and then cover it up with more batter. Now you add water into this baking pan so it reaches up to halfway up the ramekins. Then you put it in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. It's ready now. Take the ramekins out of the baking pan so they stop baking. Now here you take a knife and you run it through here. There, perfect. Now the review.
Molten lava cake.
Yep.
The middle collapsed a little bit, but I think it's gonna be fine. This is
Perfect.
I think so. It's not too sweet, not like overly sweet, the chocolate. The crust or the little cake part is nice and moist, flavorful. Perfect temperature. I think it would be great with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. What do you think?
Yeah.
But I give this a 3 stars out of 3 stars.
If you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, please like, subscribe, and try this recipe out. And ring the notification bell to see all my future content. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.